Hello guys, today I am show how to make Windows 7 latest bootable USB pin drive, MBR Legacy Guide. This tutorial only legacy in MBR, not UEFI or EFI and GPT. First, check your partition scheme, MBR or GPT. If your MBR partition scheme, this method works for you. I am currently using GPT partition scheme and UEFI BIOS. So, this method not work for me. Firstly, you required a Windows 7 latest ISO and Rufus app. All required file links in below description. Right-click on Rufus, and run as administrator. USB or pin drive automatically detect in this process. Select ISO file. This section is very important, carefully select. Here's auto-select GPT and EFI. But I want MBR and Legacy, so change this setting. For Legacy, select MBR, target system will automatically select SCM, and SCM mean Legacy BIOS. That's it, starts and wait, this process will take a 15 to 25 minutes. So, wait for complete this. As you see, the process will complete, then close Rufus. Your USB ready for boot for Legacy BIOS and MBR partition scheme. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.